To install the drivers for Quartus 2 for first time use, go to your installation folder, which is usually on your drive C, or if you've installed it on a different path, just navigate to that path. So I've got it on drive C. I have Altera Lite. I've got two versions, so I'll select the version that I'm interested in, which is the version 16. In the folder you find Quartus, select Quartus, then go to the drivers folder, and you find this executable file here, the DPIs. Double click that, then say yes to everything. Most of the stuff. I've got it hiding somewhere, so next, then finish. So I'll start Quartus. I've got my prime all started, and to make sure to finalize the installation, just go to your tools and your programmer. There's no hardware detected at this moment because there's no installation. So hardware setup, you've got the DE1 sock there. Double click that and it will be uploaded here. Then you close it. So that completes the installation and you are more or less ready to program your board.